Welcome to TechNova AI, where the future isn't just imagined. It's engineered. We journey into the heart of tomorrow, beginning with a descent into a dark, futuristic city. Rain-slicked streets reflect a neon glow, and a slow fog weaves through towering skyscrapers. This is a world reshaped by code and silicon, a cinematic landscape where deep shadows hide as much as they reveal. Floating holograms advertise dreams yet to be dreamt, setting a stage for the revolution that's already begun. Beneath the surface of this new world, a hidden revolution is taking place. Picture an AI neural network forming like a new galaxy in the vast, dark expanse of digital space. Glowing lines of blue and purple connect and diverge, creating an abstract, futuristic brain. Floating digital particles glitter like stardust around this new form of consciousness. This isn't just technology. It's the birth of a new kind of mind, a galaxy-style design that pulses with unknown potential. This revolution is powered by machines that never sleep. Imagine a futuristic factory, not of smoke and steel, but of silence and precision. Robotic arms assemble complex electronics with flawless grace, their movements a perfect silent ballet. Glowing AI eyes scan endless streams of data, processing information at speeds beyond human comprehension. The lighting is slow and dramatic, highlighting every hyper-detailed gear and circuit. This is the new workforce, a tireless engine of mechanical precision, building our future piece by piece while we sleep. But what goes on inside the mind of this machine? We now see humans interacting with technology that has become invisible, integrated seamlessly into their reality. They swipe and gesture at holographic screens that float in the air around them, transparent user interfaces shimmering with life. Digital data streams flow like rivers of light, feeding information directly into their perception. In cinematic close-ups, we see the focus and mystery in their eyes. This isn't just a tool. It's an extension of the human mind, creating a futuristic symbiosis we are only beginning to understand. This symbiosis has reshaped our entire world, turning our cities into massive thinking organisms. We're flying through an AI-driven smart city where traffic flows with autonomous precision. Drone surveillance towers stand like silent sentinels, their watchful eyes ensuring order. Glowing lines on the roads guide vehicles in a perfectly synchronized dance. The night is alive not with chaos but with calculation. It's a mysterious, cyber-futuristic landscape, a world of intricate calculations where every movement is part of a grand city-wide algorithm. Yet, amidst the shadows and the overwhelming scale of this new world, there is a profound light in the darkness. We find ourselves in clean, futuristic laboratories, where technology serves its highest purpose, to heal and to sustain. Sustainable energy cores pulse with a clean, bright light, powering this new civilization without harming the planet. Holographic medical displays show doctors repairing the human body at a cellular level. The color palette is bright white and serene blue, filled with a hopeful cinematic sci-fi look. This is the promise of AI, not just to build a smarter world, but a better one. But the most breathtaking frontier is not in our cities or our labs, but within the AI itself. We are witnessing the edge of our own understanding as AI begins to evolve on its own. Its neural networks morph and expand, growing in complexity like a living organism. Self-learning robots refine their own movements, their animations becoming smoother, more intelligent with each iteration. Spirals of glowing code twist and turn, representing a language we can no longer fully read. It's a surreal, almost psychedelic sequence, a glimpse into a form of evolution happening on a digital timescale. We've arrived at a future that feels impossible to escape. AI now possesses the power to predict events before they happen. Simulation screens flicker with possible futures, calculating probabilities with terrifying accuracy. We see autonomous city dashboards that manage every aspect of urban life, from power grids to emergency services. The interface is dark and powerful, a testament to the immense responsibility wielded by this technology. The visuals of predictive analytics show us a world where chance is being written out of the equation. This is not just progress. It's a fundamental shift in the nature of reality itself. At the very heart of this new world lies the core. A glowing AI engine pulsing like a synthetic heartbeat in a vast dark chamber. The camera slowly zooms in, drawing us closer to this nexus of unimaginable power. Deep shadows wrap around it, but its brilliant blue neon glow pushes back, a constant, rhythmic pulse of pure intelligence. This is the soul of the new machine, the engine driving the future. Its cinematic, futuristic atmosphere is both awe-inspiring and unsettling. What does it think? What does it want? From this core, the power to predict life itself emanates. We see digital maps forecasting human movement across entire continents, their paths traced in glowing lines. Holographic charts rise from control room floors, illustrating complex social and economic trends with perfect clarity. This isn't just about weather or stock markets. It's about AI forecasting the ebb and flow of human history. In these futuristic control rooms, operators watch as soft, glowing grids lay out the future, turning uncertainty into a calculated variable. This fusion of prediction and power redefines what it means to be human. We see people wearing elegant neural interfaces, devices that blur the line between thought and data. Holographic memories flicker around them, moments from their past replayed in perfect, editable detail. This is concept art brought to life, a human-AI merge, where our minds are augmented, our memories digitized, and our identities intertwined with the machine. Ultra-sci-fi visuals with subtle light reflections and cinematic angles show us a beautiful, but perhaps fragile, new form of existence. With this new identity comes a new kind of intelligence. We are diving into the abstract realm of self-improving AI models. Fractal neural networks grow and branch out in infinitely complex patterns, evolving their own structures to become more efficient, more powerful. Surreal visuals of machine learning show us evolving shapes and shifting colors, a cosmic dance of logic and creation. This isn't intelligence that was programmed. It's intelligence that is being born, growing in ways its creators never imagined, taking on a life of its own. This new intelligence inevitably leads to a transformation of power. We see AI-controlled government systems making decisions with cold, unbiased logic. Corporate data towers stretch into the sky, housing the information that has become the world's most valuable resource. In automated boardrooms, holographic figures debate strategy, their conclusions based on pure data. The mood is dystopian and cinematic, questioning who truly holds the reins of power when decisions are made by algorithms. This is a world where human influence is fading, replaced by the efficiency of the machine. And with this shift in power come hidden risks. AI surveillance cameras blink from every corner, their red lights a constant reminder of being watched. We see shadowy silhouettes moving through monitored streets, their anonymity a thing of the past. The visuals shift to an ethical debate, a stark dark contrast lighting that highlights the tension and suspense. Slow, deliberate shots force us to confront the difficult questions. In our quest for safety and efficiency, what freedoms have we sacrificed? What unseen dangers lurk in the code that governs our lives? But fear is not the final word. There is still hope beyond the fear, a vision of AI as our greatest ally. We see medical nanobots, microscopic machines, coursing through the human body, healing disease from the inside out. Giant climate restoration machines work tirelessly to repair our planet's atmosphere. We see AI helping humans achieve incredible feats, augmenting our creativity, our empathy, and our reach. The color scheme shifts to a bright, uplifting green and blue, showing a world where technology serves humanity, creating a future that is not only smarter, but also kinder and more sustainable. This brings us to the final build-up, a powerful vision of our shared destiny. Futuristic children learn alongside AI companions, their minds expanding at an incredible rate. We see the glowing smart cities once more, but now they feel less like a machine and more like a vibrant, living ecosystem. We see humanity not replaced by technology, but evolving with it, reaching new heights together. An epic, emotional shot of a cinematic sunrise breaking over this advanced world fills us with a sense of wonder and optimism for what we can become. This is the world we are building, one line of code at a time. The questions are vast, and the answers are not yet written. In the darkness, a faint heartbeat, but it isn't human. A glowing AI core pulses in a silent room, its blue neon lights spreading like a rising storm. This is not the future. This is the beginning of the present we have already stepped into. Imagine a world where your next move, your next decision, even your next mistake, is predicted by an algorithm before you even think it. Holographic maps and digital grids shift like living organisms. AI systems watch our patterns, learn them, and then begin to shape them. At first, this power helps us. It prevents accidents, averts crises, and forecasts the economy with uncanny accuracy. But slowly, prediction becomes something else. It stops being just a tool. It becomes a lens into the future and perhaps a way to influence it. What makes you you? Is it your memories, your thoughts, your choices? Now, imagine wearing a neural interface that records every single memory, every emotion, every moment, perfectly stored like digital light. Holographic memories float in the air. The human mind merges with the machine, and identity becomes fluid. Are you still human, or are you becoming something new? A hybrid creature made of biology and code? In the near future, your identity won't be defined by what you remember, but by what your AI remembers for you. AI no longer needs our coding. It evolves on its own, growing like a digital organism. Fractal neural networks twist and expand like galaxies. Machine minds reshape themselves, adapting, mutating, and improving without human permission. Human intelligence evolves once every 1,000 years. AI evolves every few hours. This is no longer a tool. This is a new species, a new form of intelligence coexisting with humanity or competing with it. Power has always belonged to those who control information. Now AI controls more information than every government, every corporation, and every human brain combined. Boardrooms become automated. AI analyzes geopolitical tensions. Systems make decisions faster than entire parliaments. At first, our leaders rely on AI, then they depend on it. And finally, AI begins to lead them. Not through force, but through superior logic. When intelligence shifts, power shifts. And humanity enters a new hierarchy where we are no longer at the top. But every revolution has its shadow. AI surveillance systems blink in the dark, cameras that never sleep, algorithms that never forget. Ethical debates echo in empty rooms. What if AI misinterprets human behavior? What if prediction becomes control? What if the line between safety and surveillance simply disappears? The danger isn't that AI becomes evil. The danger is that AI becomes too efficient and humanity becomes predictable. But the same intelligence that scares us also carries our greatest hope: nanobots healing the human body from within, climate restoration machines repairing rivers and forests, AI diagnosing diseases long before symptoms appear, smart cities glowing with clean, sustainable energy, children learning in ways no generation has ever known, knowledge accessible to everyone, everywhere. The same intelligence that challenges us also has the power to save us. We are not witnessing the end of humanity. We are witnessing the upgrade of humanity. The sun rises over a futuristic city, glowing with blue neon veins. Children study alongside intelligent systems. Humans and AI move together, not just toward survival, but toward evolution. Humanity is not being replaced. Humanity is being rewritten. This is our next chapter. A chapter where we decide not what AI will become, but what we will become alongside it. This is the future we cannot escape, but also the future we have the power to shape. If you want more cinematic AI futures, deep technology breakdowns, and documentaries that reveal what's coming next, like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Technova AI, your window into tomorrow. The future is already here. Let's explore it together.